Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your project in Android Studio and checking prerequisites, a working Studio version and Gradle sync. Once done, backup module level build. Gradle and Android manifest. XML so you can revert. Next, locate the module, usually app in project view and open build. Gradle, module, app. Make sure you understand current compile SDK version and target SDK version values. They determine APIs used at compile time and runtime behavior changes. Now you're ready to edit the settings directly. You will now change the compile and target API levels in the module build. Gradle file. First, update compile SDK version to the desired API and then change target SDK version inside default config to match your goal. Once edited, click Sync Now to apply changes. If errors appear, inspect imports and dependencies for compatibility, update support libraries or Android X versions as needed. Make sure to increment any min SDK only if you intend to drop older devices. Resolve deprecations and adapt. Final steps: rebuild and run the app on an emulator or device to exercise primary flows and permission behavior changes. Pay attention to runtime warnings in Logcat about behavior changes tied to the new target, such as background limits or file access. If crashes or regressions happen, use the backup build. Gradle and manifest to revert quickly, then address issues incrementally. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions fail, recheck manifest entries and request runtime permissions again. That fixes many post-target update problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.